Welcome back, friends. Today we are going to solve LeetCode problem 1694, reformat phone number. So before we start looking the details of this problem, I just want to mention that I often create LeetCode solution videos, and if you are like someone who is preparing for a job, or you are learning Java, or you are interested to learn Java, or preparing for coding interviews, so this channel is for you. Please subscribe to this channel. It has a lot of good material, so please go through the playlist that I created. It will definitely help you in your interview preparation, so please subscribe. So let's look into this problem quickly. So you are given a phone number as string number consists of digits, spaces, and hyphen, like this, apostrophes and dashes, right? You would like to reformat the phone number in a certain manner. Firstly, remove all spaces and dashes, then group the digits from left to right into blocks of length 3 until there are 4 or fewer digits. The final digits are then grouped as follows, right? So we have to group uh, the numbers into blocks of 3 as much as we can until there are 4 or fewer digits left. That's what they are saying. So if after we are done with creating the blocks of 3 length, so now whatever is left, we have to do this with the leftover characters, right? If 2 digits are left, then we will create a single block of length 2. Okay, if the 3 digits are left, then we will just create a single block of length 3, and if 4 digits are left at the end, then we will create 2 blocks of length 2 each. The blocks are then joined by dashes. Notice that the reformatting process should never reproduce any blocks of length 1 and produce at most 2 blocks of length 2. Return the phone number after formatting. Right, so they have given us 3 examples over here, and 5 examples, and we can start looking into this example first, and then I will explain you simultaneously how we are going to implement this. So basically, as the problem states, that we have to first continue processing the blocks of 3, right? So the number one step is we will remove all the dashes characters, right? This we have to remove spaces and dashes. So what we will do is I just took these examples over here. So we will actually take this, let's say this is our input string, right? So this is our input string. So we will just take this string and we will just remove this character from that string, right? So we are going to remove this. So now and we will keep these characters which are digits, right, into a list. So now our list will have this 1 2 3 4 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8, right? Because we removed that dash, so it will have 5 6 7 and 8. So this is our list. We will create list of characters and we will hold the numbers in the list. So once we are done, then what they are saying, that we have to process 3 digits until like until 4 or fewer digits are left, right? So we will keep until 4 or fewer digits. So we will start processing this now. So we will first process this 1 2 3, then we will have 1 2 3 like this, right? We will use a string builder class. So this is a Java's string builder class we will use, because we can create dynamic strings using string builder, and it is very fast. So we will use string builder class. So after every 3, now we will put a dash after every 3, right? And then now we will be left with 5, so which is greater than 4, right? Greater than 4. So it is fine. So greater than 4 means we can continue 3 again. So we will again continue with this 3. So 4 5 6 we will put dash after that. Now after that, 2 characters are left into our list, right? So we can use the list dot size method, because we are actually going to be, like, for example, we are going to be polling the list, right? List dot poll method is there. So poll method will remove the character. So when we are doing this 1 2 3, we are removing these characters from the list. So when we are reaching here, then we only will be left with character 7 and 8 into our list, whose size is 2, right? So now the size here, size is 2 which is not greater than 4, right? So we have to take this 2 and make a block of 2 characters and append it here. So that's what they are saying, right? 2 digits means a single block of length of 2 you have to do basically. So that's what we have done here. So we'll take 78 and we'll append it here, and we will just use string builder to string method, and we will return this string as our answer, right? So similarly, if you look at this another example, here also we will have 1 2 3 4 5 6 7. So first we will create a list here. So again our list will have 1 2 3 4 5 6 7, 4 5 6 7, and then once our this is list of characters, and because we will remove this, right? This is special character, we will remove it when we are creating a list. And after that we will want to always group it in the block of 3, right? Until there is a until size is greater than 4, right? Size is greater than 4. So this is size. Okay, so so you can consider now the first 3 characters here, because our size is greater than 4. So we will take 1 2 3, we will append it to our string builder, and then we will put a dash after that, right? Now our leftover list has a size 4. This is our leftover list now, and its size is 4. So 4 is not greater than 4. So in case of 4, what they are saying, see, we have to create 2 blocks of length of 2 each. So which means that we will create 2 blocks. 4 5 is one block, and 6 7 is another block. So we will put 4 5 here, then dash, and then 6 7 here, right? So that's what we will do. And in this last example that I took here, again we will do 1 2 3, which is this first 1 2 3 we will do, and the leftover is still 3, which is 3 is greater than, not greater than 4, right? So we will take the 3 characters and append it here, because that is another thing. Like they are saying that if 3 digits are left over, just create one single block of length 3. So that's how we are creating this single block of length 3, and we will just use string builders to string method. So this is how we are going to solve this problem of reformatting phone number. So this is kind of a for junior developers position, this kind of problems will be asked, like to understand. If you understand and use linked list, and you can understand string builder, like those things will be tested in this problem. So let's go over the code quickly. So as you can see, first we have created a list of a linked list of character here, and then we are just reading this number string basically whatever is given. And if it is a digit, basically we are checking is digit method is there in character class of Java. So we just want to take digits, right? 1 2 3 4. So we will just put those digits into list, right? So now our list is ready. So we will just create a string builder here, and while our list is greater than 4, right? Because that's what they said, that it should be here, right? There are 4 or fewer digits, means we have more than 4 digits, we will just group them in group of 3, right? So that's what we are doing here. So we are taking group of 3, and we are just list.poll will take each character out. So we are looping from 0 to 3, so it will group 3 characters, right, in every iteration, and after that it will put a dash here. So it will keep doing it until the list dot size is greater than 4. So once we come out of this while loop, then it means that now list has at most 4 characters left basically. So what list can be left with 2 characters or 3 characters or 4 characters? So now we will just handle that situation here, right? So now if the list is left over has less than 4 characters, right, means 2 or 3 basically here, see. So it is less than 4. So in that case we will just append that leftover characters to our string builder, right? Because for 2 and 3 we don't have to do anything, like just as it is we can just append it to our string builder. The only thing we have to do is in case when we have 4 digits left, right, in that case we have to create 2 blocks of 2 basically. So that we will do here, right, in the else part. Else part means list dot size is 4, means leftover list is 4. So in that case we will just poll 2 characters here, means this is one block, we will put a hyphen, and again we will put another block of 2, and at the end here the list will be empty, right? Because we are done with all the characters, we will just return sb.toString. So this will give us the answer. So let's just look into the test cases here. So these are all the test cases. So all, like as you can see, this is also big test case. So we'll just quickly run our code and make sure this is working fine. So our code is working fine. So as you can see, like 3 3 3, then here four characters are left, so it is taking two characters, right? Like that basically. And in the first example it is just three characters, and in this example 1 2 3 and four characters are left, so it is creating block of 2 basically. So our solution is getting accepted, so we'll just submit it. So our solution is 97%, 1 ms, which is pretty good. So this is the way you can solve the problem reformat phone number with the help of a linked list and string builder. So uh, just one quick summary. So you just created a list, first list of characters you created, and then using string builder you just processed all the blocks of 3 until you have 4 or less than 4 characters left in the list, and then you just create either a block of 2 or 3 digits here, or in case of 4 you created 2 blocks of 2 digits here, right? So that's it. So that is the way you can solve the reformat phone number. So as you might already know, I have already created a playlist for LeetCode solutions, which has over 55 problems solved with examples and Java code. So take a look, you will learn a lot there. Also there are a playlist related to Java programming skills, where you can improve your skills, like BFS, DFS, breadth first search, depth first search, binary search trees, binary trees, then dynamic programming, linked list, hash map. So all those data structures will be helpful for you in your interviews. Take a look at the list and the link playlist, and also subscribe to the channel. The subscription to the channel will be really helpful. Thanks for watching the video.